Understanding Sum Total, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, sum total. This is a phrase that you might come across in various contexts, and it's important to understand what it means and how to use it correctly. So, let's dive in and explore this phrase together. The phrase, sum total, is made up of two words, sum and total. Both of these words are related to addition or calculation. The word, sum, refers to the result you get when you add two or more numbers together. The word, total, also refers to the whole amount of something when all the parts are added together. When combined, sum total might seem a bit redundant since both words have similar meanings. However, this phrase has its own specific uses and nuances. The phrase, sum total, is used to emphasize the entire amount or overall result of something, taking all the parts or aspects into account. It is often used to sum up situations, experiences, or qualities, providing a conclusive statement about the overall nature or outcome. Examples: 1. After all our efforts and hard work, the sum total of our achievements is quite impressive. 2. The sum total of his behavior made everyone realize he was not trustworthy. In these examples, sum total is used to emphasize the comprehensive outcome of different actions or behaviors. Now that we understand what sum total means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. It's commonly used at the beginning or the end of a sentence. It is usually followed by of when referring to specific things being summed up. Examples: 1. The sum total of our experiences shapes who we are. 2. She calculated the sum total and realized she had enough to buy the car. 3. In the sum total, his contribution to the project was invaluable. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, sum total. We've broken it down, understood its meaning, and looked at how to use it in sentences. Remember, while it may seem a bit redundant, it's a phrase that adds emphasis to the overall result or amount of something. We hope this video has been helpful and has added a useful phrase to your English vocabulary. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.